Hi, and a very warm welcome to day one. My name is Gaia, and we are doing a 30-day evening yin yoga challenge where we practice yin yoga for 30 consecutive days. You can also, of course, do just one video out of the series. However, I do encourage you to move through the entire 30 days for maximum benefits. We'll begin lying down on our backs in a reclined child's pose. So just lower onto your back. Allow your back to settle against your mat. And then bend into the knees and bring them in as close to your chest as is comfortable to you. You can wrap your arms around your legs fully. You can simply hold yourself by the shins or behind the thighs. Choose the expression that works best for you. And just keep in mind that you want your shoulders to be relaxed, your neck to be relaxed. So no tension in the upper body. And then just allow yourself to melt into the floor beneath you. We'll be here for a few minutes, and I will guide you back out when it's time. begin to deepen your breath and very gently, one foot at a time, release your legs down to the mat. Take a moment here, take a breath, and we're going to move into a spinal twist. So shift your hips over to the left, and both knees come down over to the right. We're trying to stack our hips one on top of the other while keeping both shoulder blades down on the mat. You can stretch your arms overhead or open them up into a cactus shape like I am. Just keep in mind that you want that left shoulder grounded here so that you're really twisting through the lower half of your body. Gently reverse out of this pose. Return your hips to center. Take a breath here and then shift your hips over to the right and drop both knees over to your left. Again, we're trying to stack one hip on top of the other here. And just make sure that this time your right shoulder is nicely grounded on your mat. Gently and slowly reverse out of this pose. Recenter your hips once you arrive to the top. And then make your way into Shavasana, so extending the legs long, letting the feet flop, bringing your arms down by your side with the palms facing up. Make sure that the back of the neck is nice and long. If you have to, you can even tuck in your chin a little bit to promote that length. And then just settle here, breathe nice and deep, and enjoy a few more moments with yourself in stillness. Begin to return your awareness back into your body. You can wiggle the fingers and toes. Maybe take a nice deep stretch if that feels good to you. And then roll on to one side first. Before using your arms to press yourself back up into a seat. Come take a seat in any way that feels best to you. Place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra. Close your eyes and let's tap into the day that you've had. And as you tap into the day that you've had, see what comes up for you that you can appreciate, have gratitude for, celebrate, or perhaps be proud of. What is that one thing that comes up for you when you think of those sensations? And as you connect with that thing, let the gratitude, appreciation, celebration, or pride just wash over you. Allow yourself to truly, truly feel it, to live it, and to amplify it. Thank you so, so much for practicing with me, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.